Tell me one thing. Have you ever noticed having so many options in your life never make our life better or easier? They made us anxious actually. Hi, I'm Shivangi and welcome to Life UX of episode 9. And this time I'm going to talk about something which we deals every day in our life but we never talk about this thing. And which is why do so many choices makes us feel anxious? And this time we're going to talk about that how we can deal with the emotions and how we make it more better for our betterment, right? So let's get into it. So I'll ask you a very basic question. Why does ordering a food online now take us 30 minutes? Why choosing a Netflix show feels harder than watching one? We haven't started anything, but we are already tired. As you notice, nowadays we have more freedom than ever, but still somewhere doing these kind of stuff, we feel heavier, right? So, in the beginning, we were told more choices means more happiness and more options means more control. But is that true in real life? No. In real life, having more choices makes us generally doubt ourselves. Most of the time, fear of taking a wrong decision, fear of losing, overthink a lot. We delayed our decision, regret everything if something goes wrong. Guys, this is not a kind of any weakness that we as a generation are owning, but this is something a human psychology, and we all of us are dealing with this thing every day, but we never notice the pattern. When I was researching around this topic, I encountered amazing fact which says our human brains actually hate unlimited choices. So do understand this fact. Every decision you make, it does cost your mental energy. So when more choices increases, your brain start asking you what if the other option was better, right? So to take your control back, do these three powerful things which helps you to take control back in your hand. If you start limiting your choices, it will reduce anxiety in you, it will increase the satisfaction level, and also you start trusting your own decisions more effectively. And to make it more simpler or understandable to you, I'll give you a very small example, very simple example. If you're trying to order a food online, start with a very basic question, that what you are really craving for. I am craving for chole kulche, right? So I already filtered my food with chole kulche, and now I'll go on a second step, which is the restaurant with the higher rating. I'll choose that. It's simple, right? The third step, you can include or exclude on the basis of your location, but you can filter out on the basis of your delivery timing as well. So once you are done with 1 2 3 step, it will make easier to order a food. Malab, in almost 10 minutes you able to order your food. This is a very simple or basic example. If you control your thoughts, if you can control your impulsive actions, it will help you to create trust and reduce anxiety. When you limit your choices, important things always stand out. So by default, you will going to have your voice and confidence back. This is the end of the episode. And if you enjoy my episode, do like, share, and subscribe. Here, I'll come with the interesting topic every time. I'll meet in your next video. Bye bye.